Exercise 14.06, question 17. Let's take a shot at this one. So just as for question 15, we're going to work on these first two terms, adding those together. Once we've added that, we're going to add the last term to that. So let's see how this all goes. So first thing, long vinculum, and we're going to add this. I'll just put it in straight away. 2x minus 1 on x, but we're not going to do anything about it until we've completed this part here. So we've got x plus 2, x minus 1. It's simple quadratic to expand. We'll do that shortly. In the meantime, we've got an x and an x plus 1, so x minus 1, sorry, x minus 1, plus we've got an x and a x plus 2. Okay, let's expand all those out and collect like terms. So we've got, first of all, we'll do the bottom first, actually. So we've got x times x is x squared. 2 times negative 1 is going to be negative 2. I'll write it over there, and I'll fill in the middle bit. So I've got a 2x minus an x, which is going to be plus a 1x. I'll just put plus x. Okay, so top bit. So I've got x times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is minus x, plus x times x is x squared. X times 2 is going to be plus 2x. And of course, on the end, we've got 2x minus 1 times x. Okay, so let's see. We're going to collect like terms now, see what we have. So we've got an x squared and an x squared. That's going to be 2x squared. We've got a minus x and a 2x. That's going to be plus 1x. On the bottom, we've got x squared plus x minus 2. Now we can add in this third part and see what becomes of all of that. So first of all, the bottom, let's do the long vinculum this time. I'm going to have an x times, is that really just an x? It is, of course, yes. X times x squared plus x minus 2, and on the top we've got, actually it's not going to be too bad, I don't really need such a long vinculum. So that was that bit there. Then we've got over here, we're going to have x, 2x squared plus x plus, and I'm going to have all of this. Maybe we'll need the long vinculum. That's going to be 2x minus 1 times all of this. I'm going to need a bit more. Here we go. So it's going to be x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, let's see what we end up with. So I'm going to expand all this, then collect like terms. So we're going to have x times 2x. It's going to be 2x cubed. Plus x times x is going to be x squared. Now I've got the second part here. So I've got plus 2x times x squared is going to be 2x cubed. And we're going to have 2x times x is going to be, that's going to be plus 2x squared. And 2x times minus 2 is going to be minus 4x. Now, this is good. This don't stop, does it? Minus 1 times x squared is going to be minus x squared. Minus 1 times x is going to be minus x. Oops, we're going to run off the screen here. And then minus 1 times minus 2 is going to be plus 2 all over, and I'm going to have to expand this bit on the bottom now. X times x is going to be x cubed, plus x times x is going to be x squared, and x times minus 2 is going to be minus 2x. So a whole bunch of collecting like terms. Okay, so it's a bit longer than I thought it was going to be. All right, let's see what we end up with. So first of all, we've got a 2x cubed and a 2x cubed. That's going to become 4x cubed. So cross out those two. This is going to be 4x cubed. All right, next bit, x squared is what we got. We've got an x squared here, but we've also got a minus x squared here. So I'm going to cross those two out immediately, and we're just going to be left with a plus 2x squared. Plus 2x squared, because x squared minus x squared is 0. So 2x squared, there it is. What have we got else now? We've got minus 4x minus x is going to be minus 5x. There they are. And then we've got a plus 2 on the end. So over here, we're going to have an x cubed plus x squared minus 2x. Now, looking through that, is there anything else I can do? I don't believe so. I think that's as far as I can take it, which means that this here is going to be the solution.